So here we have a Celviano Casio model AP420 piano, and we're trying to fix two problems here. One is there are several keys broken, as you can see here, cracked right here, and then one more down here, and then there's a big one that has an entire note missing. And we're trying to fix another problem where it rings uncontrollably if you press it. As you see, I'm not even pressing it, barely, and I'm barely pressing it, and it makes the loud ringing noise, like you're basically smacking the note, but then none of the other notes do that, so that's a problem. And we're gonna try to fix it and have a tutorial to show how to fix problems that happen in the future. Nice. So in order to complete this repair, you need to order specific parts, and for the notes, you have to buy the specific notes for the ones you need to repair. So for us, we had B, so here it says B, and the number doesn't really matter except on the ends, but just make sure you look at the B or F or like any other key. And to fix the noise problem, you need to buy these rubber contacts, and this is what the noise problem is when the rubber contacts wear off, and then it creates that noise. So you need to buy new ones to fix that problem. And you need to pay attention when you install them because they're not completely symmetrical. As you see here, the a slight angle. So this one's slightly higher than the left one. The top to get access to the components inside. Okay, so here you need to remove every single key from the keyboard in order to get access to the motherboard, and you need to prop it up from the back like you just saw here. And remember, the numbers on the keys don't matter, so don't pay attention to that. And here we are using a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, to prop up the keys from the back side. And you see, we carefully insert it in the gap between the base of the piano and the key itself in order to prop it up. It's relatively easy. So here, that's the length of one of the motherboards, the width across, and there's actually like a total of there's a set of 3 motherboards connected to each other through wires and such. So it's not just one physical motherboard; it's 3 separate ones. This is about the width of one of them, the big one. just for reference. Here, underneath the top motherboard, there's actually another motherboard right below it. And then, so you need to remove both of those motherboards in order to get access to the contacts. Here we're removing the top layer motherboard and propping it up at like a 90-degree angle to the one beneath it. And there are several screws that you need to remove in order to remove the motherboard entirely from the piano. And here you see each contact is just little plastic parts with two black dots, and each of those is a contact on its own. And this is where the problem lies for the sound issue. So here, each pair of black dots that you see here is the contact for each key, and each of these pairs come in sets of 4 or even more, so it's not always the same. But each of the black dot pairs is for each key, just remember that. And it's relatively easy to replace, you just need to remove them and then realign them back correctly with the new replacements. And then you just need to reinstall the motherboards and keys back in. And here we go. This is the finished product.